In the world of YouTube, dreams do come true. I want to share a special moment with you all. After lots of hard work, consistency, and dedication, I am thrilled to announce that our channel has finally been monetized. It hasn't been easy juggling being a family man with 3 young boys and managing our small school, but with inspiration from amazing creators like Sean Cannell from Think Media, always talk about punching fear and professionalism in the face and starting messy and knowing your season. Roberto Blake from Create Something Awesome Fame and Dreamcloud channel inspired me to kick fear to the curb and keep my eye on the goal. It took 655 videos and 731 days to reach this milestone, but it was all worth it. I've always believed in delayed gratification and staying away from get-rich-quick schemes. It's about the journey, not just the destination. I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and supporting us along the way. To all the small creators out there, don't give up on your YouTube journey. Remember, winners never quit and quitters never win. So keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and success will come your way. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share our channel with your friends.